Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
Start by measuring and preparing dry ingredients for a balanced baby health mix. Use 1 cup rolled oats, 1/2 cup millet, 1/4 cup gram dal, and 1/4 cup roasted chana for protein and energy. Add 2 tablespoons roasted flaxseed and 1 tablespoon roasted sesame for healthy fats and minerals. Skip salt and honey for infants. Spread ingredients on separate trays, check for stones, and ensure each grain is dry. Allow every component to cool completely after any roasting step to avoid steam during grinding. Roast each grain on low heat for about 8–10 minutes, keeping a constant stir to prevent burning. Smaller seeds like flax and sesame need 2–3 minutes and lighter color change. Allow every roasted component to cool to room temperature before combining. Grind coarse ingredients like oats and millet into a fine flour, then grind seeds separately to avoid clumping from released oils. Pass the combined powder through a 0.5 mm sieve to remove larger particles and ensure smooth texture suitable for babies. Introduce the health mix at around 6 months with careful progression. Begin with 1 TSB powder mixed into 2 tablespoon breast milk or formula once daily, monitoring for tolerance and allergies. Gradually increase to 2 tablespoon powder mixed with 4 tablespoon milk or water by 10–12 months, offering once or twice daily depending on appetite. Use a smooth spoon and lukewarm temperature. Never add honey. Store the powdered mix in an airtight jar in a cool, dry place and use within 30 days to maintain freshness and nutrient quality.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.